Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl MJ. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to make an A-line skirt with a fishtail, or you can call it a mermaid skirt. Stick with me, I'm taking you through a simple way of making it. So the basic tools that we're going to use for our tutorial today is a scissor to cut your pattern. You need a ruler to make your straight lines. You also need a curvy ruler to make those curves. You need your measuring tape to measure. You need a marker pen. You also need your paper to draft your pattern. So guys, here's our paper, and I already draw the lines for our basic skirt, which is a pencil skirt. I have a video on how to make a pencil skirt if you don't know how to make a pencil skirt. So the width of the paper that we're going to use today, I chose 23 because isn't we're making a fishtail skirt. So I'm going to show you. So the measurement that we are using is 28 divided by 4, it's 7 inches. 7 inches plus 1 is 8. So I measured 8 here, which is our waist, and then the distance between the waist to your hip is 10 or 9. That's the standard hip measurement. And then our hip that we are using, it's 40 plus 1 meter allowance, 1 inch allowance, sorry, is gonna be 11. So this is our hip line, and then the distance from your hip to your knee, it's also 10 or 11 inches. So here we take the measurement of the hips, which is 40 inches by 4, which is 10 minus 1, which is 9. We put it here. You minus because you want it to curve a little bit. So after you done that, you take your ruler and then you add your lines like this, and then from there you're gonna add it like this. You see, here you blend it, you don't make it, yeah, just blend it there. And then this is how our skirt is. So when we come to here, it's up to you how wide you want it to be. It depends on you. Like I said, I made 23 mine, but it depends on you. So from here to here, you're just gonna do a straight line like this. I'm just gonna do a straight line like this. So here is the first part of your skirt, and then when you come here, you measure half of 8, ne? Half of 8 to make your dart is equals to 4. So in this 4, you go half an inch and half an inch on both sides, like this. Half an inch and half an inch, half an inch and half an inch here, and then down here you go to 10 centimeters like this, and then you connect those dotted that you made, and it gives you your dart shape. After that, this is your front skirt. Where can we write it? This is your front. So you're done with your front skirt. You're gonna cut it out like this. But one thing that you have to remember, if you're not cutting it on a stretchy material, you can also add more, like another 1 inch for it to have a volume. But if you're cutting it on a stretchy material, it's fine like this, because we already added our 1 inch or seam allowances. So there we go. This is our front part. So going to our back part, you're going to take another paper, unfold again, and the back part, don't forget to add another 2 centimeter allowances. So when come to the back part, you're going to place your front part like this, depending on here. It depends on you what how long you want your fishtail to be. It depends on you. So we're going to place it like this on both sides, and remember, from the top here till your knee, you're going to add an inch allowances for the zipper part like this. So you know this is your zip part. This is the zip part from the back, and then you're going to trace everything out. So this is the back part. So from here again, guys, if you want your back part to be more wider, you can also add more, but mine I'll keep it as straight as like this one. So this side, from going down, I'm going to add, to make it longer at the back, I'm going to put my ruler like this, or your tape, and add 10. You can add 10 inches. 10 inches, 10 inches, and 10 inches, 10. On that 10 inches that you added, I'm going to make your straight line. And this side again, it depends how much volume you want it to be. Let's check our paper. You add like this. Here, like I said, let's check our inches that we're going to work with. You can add 7, you can add inch, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here is 12 inches. I added 12 inches on the side. So from here to there, you go like this. From here, you go to 12 inches like this. This side as well, you can add, let's add let's try to add 9 going down like this. But here, don't forget I said here it depends on you what you want to add. So towards the end, what you do here is you come like this. Be careful. It's not. see, it doesn't have to be straight. You need to curve it so that it gives you the mermaid shape. And don't forget this, it's on fold, both sided they are on fold. So basically this is it, guys. Let's cut it and see how our skirt it looks like. So yeah guys, this is how our skirt looks like. This is your front part and this is your back part. You see it already have that shape. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Do subscribe and like, share our videos with others, and see you on the next one very soon. Love you, bye.